Hey everybody, this is Kevin Purcell, and today I want to show you the eSword X Mac app, and also I want to show you eSword on Windows. We'll do that next, but first let's take a look at the Mac version of eSword. It's a little bit different than if you're used to using eSword for Windows. When you open it up here, you get this interface, and over on this side you have a Bible. Here is your commentary. These are English language dictionaries and then Strong's based dictionaries. And then down here at the bottom is your study notes editor. Notice you can also pick a topic editor or add a journal editor. For journals, that's things, a daily journal that you might keep, like a prayer journal or such. Topics, if you want to write an article on something like grace or Revelation, this would be a good place to keep like book entries or whatever. But these are the different kinds of editors. Up here in the window for your Bible, I want to show you what it looks like. Now, it's got some tabs up here, and first of all, you got the Bible, the Compare tab, Parallel tab, and the Harmony. I don't have any harmonies selected right now. The Bible shows you your main Bible. You pick which Bible you want to look at by clicking that drop-down box. Scroll through it like this. If you select a verse, you can pick a single word in the verse. Let's define that. Notice it opens it over here in your English language dictionary. You can choose a different dictionary to check out there. If you want, you can open up a Strong's book. Anything with a plus shows that it has Strong's tags with it. So let's open the King James. That gives us plenty. So we're here also looking at synagogue. If we click on that, it opens up a pop-up that shows us all of our dictionaries that have that. Or if you want, you can just open one of them. If I click on that, notice it opens synagogue down here and gives me that entry here. I can pick between the other books like so. And then if I want to see this passage in a commentary, click the down button, and let's look at Biblical Illustrator. Talks about Philadelphia, the patient church. Alright, so this link button right here will link, when I'm in verse mode, the two panes, your Bible and your commentary. If I unlink it, it won't, so let's see what happens when I switch to a different passage. Notice it stays the same. The way I'm switching this is I'm using my command and brackets keys, the key combination of command left bracket and right back bracket. So if I go on right, it goes back to chapter 3, left goes to chapter 4. I can also navigate around by tapping or clicking on this button if I want to do that. Notice you get your titles for the different sections down here at the bottom. But let's say we want to go and study Philippians chapter 2. So I'll get the book introduction, the chapter section on that passage if there is one, and then a verse. There isn't in this passage. Now if I hit the compare button over here, it'll show me all of the different verses that I have chosen. Or the parallel, I have to go to the Bible menu and configure this. So let's go to parallel settings. Let's choose the Christian Standard, the English Standard, King James, and New American Standard. Alright, so now it shows it in a column format, and so I can follow along with it there. It'll show me my cross-references for that selected passage. And then if I need to search, I can search, or my history. It'll help me see where I have been previously looking. I can scroll through that. Now up here, you can also choose where you're going, Revelation 3. As again, I said you can choose it with that button. Let's cancel that. If you have any bookmarks set, I don't really use bookmarks in Bible software, so I don't get that. This is the layouts view, and notice we've got a whole bunch of different ones. If I want, I can just look at the Bible. Maybe if I'm doing a parallel like this, it might be helpful. Or if I just want to look at the Bible and the commentary, I'm going to go out of parallel mode. I can resize this. Or maybe I want Bible commentary and editor, so I'm keeping notes. And maybe I can go back to my dictionary, Bible commentary and dictionary. And so you get, and then we can go back to show all. I hate that it resizes them. I wish it would remember the size for you. Now in each one of these you can select a difference. We already showed you that. If you go to the menus here, you can hit preferences. If you need to download new resources, go here. For example, let's say we want to download the American Standard Version. Go over here to commentaries. We'll add Albert Barnes' Notes in the Bible. It'll take a little while longer. Dictionaries, let's add the Fawcett's Bible Dictionary. Now notice it has lock buttons, or lock icons next to these. I don't own these, but if I clicked on it and hit download, if I owned it, I could put my product key here, or I can just purchase it. If I click that, it'll take me to eStudySource. If I do own it but don't know my product key, then I can hit that and it'll help me go to their website and find my key. Same with something like the Complete Word Study, okay, which is one I like. These are some reference books. Reference books are a little bit different than regular books. I'll look at those in here in just a second. But and then some devotionals. All right, so let's say I want to open a reference book. Go to the window here, open up reference books, and you get a new window that pops up. You can choose which book that you have installed that you'd like to look at. So let's look at the English Standard Version maps, and we can choose which map we want based on that. That's our history that we've looked at. Other things you can look at are your daily devotional, your Bible search, sermon audio. That's a website, so you can find sermons based on Revelation 3 verse 1. Listen to it inside the app. Anyway, you can change things, make it look different. A menu for navigating around the Bible, or you can compare. When I opened up that and I got all the different lexicons, that's where you would change that. Let's say I didn't want the Brown Driver Biggs for some reason. I could remove that there. So that's eSword for the Macintosh.